I'm John Rumley, and I'm the repairman at the Denver Folklore Center. I have been a luthier since, I've worked here since 1994. Before that, I did some of my own work. I made a few banjos, and then actually I brought one of those in and showed it to Harry, the old boss, and Scott, the repairman, and they asked me if I wanted a part-time job, and I've been here since then. I'd say the most common repair is going to be a setup. And then maybe like in the winter, we get a lot of hydration problems. So we do a lot of crack repairs. We like to say 7 to 10 days, and it seems like we usually get stuff done within that week. I do, yes. I work on a lot of electric guitars. I've actually made a lot of electric guitars, so I'm really familiar with them. So we do both the setup and the electronic stuff on them. Boy, we see, there's all the typical stuff, of course. We do mandolin, ukuleles, guitars, banjos, and then we will get into some fiddle stuff, bass work, electric guitars, and then we've even done things like I've done sitars. We have a hurdy-gurdy in here right now that we're looking at. So just a lot of stuff, yeah. A setup is basically just a maintenance for the guitar, a tune-up, where we go through the whole guitar. A lot of times you'll need to have some neck adjustments with the truss rod. And then after we do that, we look at either the nut slots and the saddle and see what we need to do there. And then of course, clean the fretboard, oil the fretboard, remove any marks on the top of the saddle, check your intonation, oil the tuners, check the screws and the nuts on the tuners. A lot of times, like the top nuts will come loose and they'll start to rattle. So basically just go through the whole thing, do maintenance thing on it. A fret dress is where when you play your guitar a lot, the strings will start to actually put indents in your frets. It happens more commonly like between the 1 to the 5th fret, but it will go all the way down. It's pretty much where you play the most. And the string will slowly cut into it and cause big divots. So what we do is we have a certain file that will level those all back out, get those marks out, and then go ahead, we have another crown file, which makes the fret round again. Go over that and then polish them, and then it's like you have a new fret.